Hi everybody, Steve Ward here with Mercedes-Benz of Draper. Want to show off a very special car that we've got in stock, ready for purchase in our dealership. It's slightly pre-owned, it's got just under 2,000 miles on it. This is the Mercedes-Benz GTR. Of course, with the GTR, we're looking at a little bit wider fenders in the front and the back, lots of carbon fiber throughout the vehicle to give it some torsional stability and strength. We've got some active aerodynamics up underneath the front here. You can see we've got a nice big fin on the back, all carbon fiber. We've got the Panamerica grill up here in the front, where we've got the slats running up and down. Beautiful car. Dressed up here in white. You can see the intercoolers right here. I'm going to pop the hood for you. If you're not familiar with the GT or this GTR version of the car, then you're not going to know about the hot V engine configuration. We're using dry sump oil that gets the engine low. You can see that the engine is actually back here, more mid-engine. You can see a hot V engine. This is a 4-liter V8 engine, but you can see the turbochargers up here in the valley of the V. So everything's working backwards as compared to a typical V8 where we've got hot gases coming out the bottom of the engine. In this case, we've got the turbochargers in the top in the V, and we've got hot air coming up into those turbochargers without a lot of plumbing. So it's just, you know, instant turbo boost there without the lag. And then you can see right up in here we've got the intercooler. So now we've got the cool air coming up into the bottom of the V. You notice also in this car, if you look at the top, we've got carbon fiber throughout the interior as well. Another really cool thing about this car is that we've got rear steering. And so these rear wheels actually tow in 1.5 degrees tow angle just to help this car corner faster and better. See the aerodynamics up here in the back of the vehicle. Another interesting fact about this particular GTR is that the whole car has actually been Clearbra. Another plus for any of you guys that are out there and collecting these vehicles, really want to keep them pristine. 0 to 63.5 seconds, 198 governed top end. Of course, we've got forged cylinder heads and pistons. So we've got some window tint up here. Beautiful car. 9 different traction control settings. In fact, you can see the knob right in the center right there. I had a chance to drive this car. It was just after its production back in a Falterbach last year. And you can actually turn that knob and adjust the traction control. See again the carbon fiber, nice high quality Napa leathers. Beautiful, beautiful car. Come down, take it for a ride. The car is available here. One more note that I do want to make here is if you notice that we've got the ceramic brakes. So of course, anytime we've got ceramic brakes, it's going to be a lot lighter, and therefore you know, better control because we've lightened up the those spinning elements. And if you look at there at the front wheel, again you'll see the ceramic brakes, massive massive discs, ventilated, big caliber, beautiful, beautiful multi-spoke forged wheel. Beautiful car, again, available here at Mercedes-Benz of Draper, at least for now. Come down, take a closer look. If you're inquiring over the internet or via some remote place, please give us a call. We'll be happy to snap you some more pictures or answer any questions. Any of our professionals here at the dealership would be happy to answer any of your questions. Beautiful, beautiful car. As we look down the side, you can just see how very special this car is. Again, that's Steve with Mercedes-Benz of Draper.